They've been mostly outdoor dogs. Gross. Look at all the poop out there. Oh boy. Camp Cocker Rescue just took 9 dogs in. Were relinquished by a lady. The dogs have been used for breeding. They're all interbred. There's a mom and a dad. Then their offspring, and then their offspring have been bred for their grandchildren, and then those dogs were bred for the youngest dog. Some of these dogs are super skittish. I'm so sorry for them. I've got 4 in the back of my car right now, and then driving in front of me is a nice volunteer. 2 volunteers who helped with their SUV, and they've got 5 of the dogs in their car. They have a bigger SUV. But right now I've got 4 in the back of my car. These poor dogs, their whole world has been rocked. I'm pretty sure they were mostly living outside. I saw dog houses out there. It was just a big dirt lot, and there was feces everywhere. It smelled. Oh, another shivering puppy. They're scared. Are you okay, baby? Are you okay? This one is next. This one is shaking like a leaf.
Oh, what's the matter? Oh, what's the matter?
Shaking like a
Hi. Hi, baby. Come here.
Hi. Oh, don't be scared.
Hi. It's okay.
Oh, it's got some bad skin there. Look at the skin. She's one of the really skittish ones.
Want me to tell you? Okay.
It's okay. Look, here's your friend. You're safe. Look, it's your friend. Don't be scared, sweetie. She's scared. They've never been anywhere before. She was at college, but not horrible skin. Oh, she's got bad skin too.
She's got other types of colors. It's okay.
Alright, you're okay. They're shaking like, should we just... They can just go potty inside. Come on, babies. These guys are, these 2, this one's really timid, the white one.
Yeah, she's got a
You might have to carry her
collar.
in.
This collar right there.
Oh my gosh.
Hi.
She's really timid. I have to look up their names. I'll let Tracy know tomorrow because I've got pictures with names. Yeah, you'll have to carry her in. Okay, Sally's got one. Okay, here we go. Little cherry eye. Should we just try and carry the crate in? He won't eat. Look, he's putting his back to you.
No, I just put back.
There's puke everywhere. Hi, honey. Maybe they need this new leash on him.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do.
Honey, here. This leash is attached to him. Oh. Come on, honey. Oh. Don't be scared. I know. So bad for him.
It's okay.
His name's Skylar, aka Junior.
Good boy.
Good boy.
I'm gonna twist this and
You're
see
gonna
if I
be
can
so
get this
brave.
off. It's okay. It's okay.
You're so brave.
Really good.
Yes, you're a brave boy. We're nice. We're nice. We're nice girls. You're gonna be safe here.
I'm gonna try to get that one off.
Okay, I'm gonna take this off.
Good boy. It's okay.
You're a good puppy.
It's okay.
Good boy. Well, he's not trying to snap.
No, he's not actually.
He's just terrified of
I'm
us.
gonna do this.
I got his collar.
I know.
Oh, honey.
Okay, we're gonna go a little bit further, okay?
Come on, you can do it. Yay! Good boy. I don't think Ricky's gonna go potty outside. Honey.
Oh, you're beautiful.
Hey, Junior. You're gonna be okay. Oh my gosh, his world's upside down. We love you already. Skylar. He's shaking like a little leaf. Oh.
It's okay.
We're nice. We're
Honey,
nice. We're nice. We're nice. We're gonna be nice. Have you ever seen anything like this?
Not quite that big, no. Pretty frightening.
And there's more too. There's like massive. You just named her Abigail.
Yeah, she's got a big
You were such a good girl, honey.
one there too, a little one there.
You're such a good girl.
Wow.
Oh.
What's that?
Oh. Oh, yucky.
I think somewhere in there is
Yeah, I totally could feel it.